Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Allure Beauty Box for May. I was like April, May. So May, yes. Real quick guys, I am not sponsored in any way. They do send this box to me, but I'm not obligated to even talk to you guys about it. I just like making these videos because they always have really good items. So if you guys haven't seen my other Allure Beauty Box reviews, the Allure Beauty Box is actually my all-time favorite beauty box. I like Allure because they mainly focus on skincare, and skincare is really hard for me to shop for. I like sample sizes of things before I commit to buying them because typically skincare is pretty expensive. I've had Ipsy in the past, I've had BoxyCharm in the past. There was one other one that I can't remember what the name was called. I've had that one as well, but I've wound up canceling all of them. If you guys are thinking of signing up for this beauty box, it is $15 a month, and you get 7 to 8 sample size items and 2 full size items. And they always come with this little pamphlet here. It's like a mini magazine, and it just explains each item. They have editors in here that talk a little bit about it and how they use it. And by the way, my nails are so gross. I did a look the other day, and they're just stained like black underneath my nails and around like the corners, so it's like, ugh. Anyway, okay, so let's start with this guy here. So this is my Daily Dose of Glow. This is by Skin Inc. This is the box here. So this is an Illuminate and Glow Serum. Ooh, so this is all those little encapsulated molecules in there. Look at that. I love serums like these. These are just so fun. I feel like this takes me back to childhood when you would see these and just, I don't know. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. Do you remember Claire's used to have like little things like this for like your face? It used to be like little serums. I'm sure that they did nothing, but they just looked really cool. Not that this doesn't do anything, but let me read about it. Okay, so it says that this has moisturizing hyaluronic acid, illuminating vitamin A, and clarifying chlorella. Okay, so it's saying that within a day, this will boost your skin's radiance, and then after 2 weeks, it says that your skin's gonna look clearer, and after a month, it says that if you have any like hyperpigmentation in your skin, that is visibly improved. And it also says that skin will appear more luminous. So yeah, it seems like this guy does it all, and within a month's time, that's not bad. This looks like it's probably gonna last about 6 months, just telling by the size and going from other products that I've used around this size. And it is $65, which I guess isn't that bad if you think about something like this lasting about 6 months. I mean, skincare is really important, and I've really been slacking on my skincare from quarantine. I just feel like I'm in that like hopeless stage where I'm just like, who cares? But then I wake up and look in the mirror and I'm like, oh, I look like I've aged to like 10 years. Okay, so this next one seems really interesting. So this is the Essential Real Eye Cream for Face. And this is by AHC. And this one's really interesting. I was reading the review on here, and apparently this settles into your fine lines in your face, which is perfect for when you put on your makeup on top of this, so that your makeup doesn't go into your fine lines and it shows. This like almost acts as like a barrier to fill in these areas here. Hopefully it'll help me with my creasy forehead. And they also said that this is really great for traveling because it keeps your skin really moisturized. This is only $28.99, which I think is a great price. Moisturizers are so expensive. So, I mean, looking at this tube, I thought that this was gonna be like $50, to be honest with you. But they're saying that this kind of doubles as a primer. So I think it's worth it. I can't wait to try this guy. Okay, next up we have Lumi Layer Primer by VDL, I think it is. I'm reading about this one and I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this. So it says that it gives a pearlescent finish that gives the skin a reflective sheen, which I don't know, that kind of turns me off only because I have some acne scarring and things like that. And also I have very oily skin. So I wonder if this is gonna make me look even oilier. But then it says at the end that there's like a poreless finish, which is a little confusing. Yeah, so I'll have to try this and get back to you guys. I'm a little confused reading this review because it's just kind of like, I don't understand how it can be like really illuminating and brightening, but also poreless. But it is made in Korea, which Korean skincare is, I mean, the best skincare there is. So it's 32 for 30 milliliters. So this is just the sample size. This is 5 milliliters. Okay, so the next product on the list here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, but I don't see it in my box. I wonder if maybe it just fell out somewhere, but I actually do have that just in my own collection. It's actually what I use today, what I use all the time. It's a great clear brow gel. All right, so this is it right here. So this stuff is really good. I didn't think that I would be able to find an eyebrow gel that would work on my eyebrows. I don't know what it is, but it's just, like, I don't have really coarse eyebrow hairs or anything like that, but I just find it really hard to find a clear brow gel that actually holds them in place all day. I used to just use hairspray because you can't go wrong with using hairspray, and a stronghold hairspray, I mean, you can't beat it. But yeah, this is a great clear brow gel if you're looking for one. But yeah, so the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel is $22. Okay, so this next one is by Curology. So this is oh my god, guys, I cannot talk today. Smooth Sailing. So this is way more than a moisturizer. It's an entire skincare set for free. What? So they're saying that the texture of this is like a whipped cream or a jello. So it's pillowy, spreadable, and buildable. This is a moisturizer with no extra bells and whistles or vague healing benefits, but it does exactly what it's supposed to. Genius. Okay, so if you guys don't know about Curology, which I didn't until I just read the back of this, but you just go to Curology.com/Allure, and what you have to do is you just tell them a little bit about your skin goals. I'm sure it's like a multiple choice thing. You upload a selfie, and then they have like a dermatologist who mixes your own like perfect formula based on your skin needs. And they have like cleansers, moisturizers, and like spot treatments and all different stuff. I don't know. So yeah, this is just like a basic moisturizer because I don't have like my skincare needs like associated with this one. But yeah, that's really interesting. I might actually check that out. Okay, so this one I'm really interested in. So this is the Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser by Acure. And this is a sample size. It comes in like a squeezy tube. Squeezy tube. Like, I'll just show you guys on the paper there. But here, I'll hold it back a little further. But yeah, this is what the tube actually looks like. Okay, so this is supposed to resurface, refine, and hydrate all skin types. So this is like a chemical exfoliation, which chemical exfoliations are actually way better than actually like exfoliating with a scrub. They're supposed to be better for your skin and overall more effective. So I can't wait to try this. I love any kind of resurfacing of any kind. I'm like, give it to me. I have so much texture and I have really large pores around here, so I'm excited about this guy. And apparently for the squeezy tube guy, it's $12.99, which is such a great product. I feel like anything associated with like glycolic acid is so expensive, so I can't wait to give this a shot. All right, and it looks like we have a sheet mask in here. Love sheet masks. So this is by Wen. So this is the Glamour Base. So it's a cellulose sheet mask. So it says, in addition to hyaluronic acid, it has collagen and peptides, so skin is left hydrated, bouncy, and ready for makeup. And these face masks are $7 a piece, which, I mean, if it does all that, it's worth it. But this is the end of the video, guys. I hope that you like this video. I know it's pretty quick and precise, but you guys really liked the last one, so hopefully you like this one. Like I said, guys, this is my favorite beauty box. I'm not just saying that because they send it to me. I'm not paid to say any of this. I just get so excited when this box comes in because I know that I'm gonna find staple items in here. I almost always wind up going and purchasing full-size items on my own after I receive these. I just use them down to like their nubs. Like I'll cut the top off of this and use like whatever's left in the top of here. I'm one of those crazy people. But then I'll go and buy a full size. I love being able to sample things first, and it's great that they include some full-size items too, so I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of the beauty box, and yeah, do you have any other subscriptions that you guys like using? Like I said, I've had BoxyCharm in the past, and also Ipsy. Ipsy I've had a really long time ago, so I mean, they might have gotten it together since then. I don't know. If you have Ipsy, let me know if you like it. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling on. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.